Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel the Spectrum internet without calling in 2026. Now, if you don't want to sit on long phone holds or deal with sales agents, this particular method is going to let you handle the cancellation the easier way. So first of all, you need to understand one important thing. Spectrum still prefers phone cancellations, but in 2026, you can start and complete the cancellation online or through the chat in most of the cases. So for many users, it works without even making a call. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for spectrum.net. Now, once you are here on the official website of Spectrum, you just have to first of all click on the option of sign in. After that, you need to basically provide your login credentials and you need to log in into your Spectrum account first. Once you have done that, you are going to see the chat with us option available in the left hand side on the home page of spectrum.net. So when you click on it, you are going to see this type of chatbot in front of you. So on this particular chatbot, you just have to simply type a message that can look something like, I would like to cancel my Spectrum internet service. Now, then you just have to simply hit enter. A support agent is going to verify your account and process the cancellation request. So they may offer you the discounts. You just have to politely decline if you are sure. And in most of the cases, they will schedule your service disconnect right there in chat. So in some accounts, it is going to show a message that says message services or cancel services option. So if you see the cancel service option in your account, you can just simply go through the steps in order to confirm that cancellation. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.